Okay, for our ongoing class, we're working on The Cat Came Back. And we've discovered, man, we can go to town on the pentatonic scale. Holy cow, not worry about doing a chord melody at all. Forget that. Let's just improvise. And Joan, one of our players, was improvising on the pentatonic scale on the A string, which is A, C note, D, E, and a G, where the dots are. Any one of those notes will work over the entire verse. We're going to improvise over the entire verse. And we were talking about ideas of like pressing in with my index finger here and then adding the D note. So we're using 3 notes to come up with some great musical ideas. Just 3 notes. And tap your foot. You want to create that pocket. We also talked about just nipping and tucking that pentatonic scale by adding a blues note, which is the E flat, which is on the 6th fret. So watch this. And I'm holding that index finger down so that I can mess around up here and still come back to a C, and then let go and get an A. In other words, there might be infinite possibilities just with now those 4 notes. And Jim was saying that he slides. So watch this. So I'm sliding up to that E flat, to that blues note. And that takes some woodshedding, so I slide to the right place. I don't always, because I haven't woodshedded long enough. You can start here. You can start a little sooner, a little closer to your goal. Because as our fingers run over the fret wires, we get that cool sound. Now look, I'm just sliding from the 5th fret to the 6th fret. Try that with me. Oops, I think it works better with a C. So you see what you can do just with those 4 notes. Now very quickly, we also do the pentatonic scale in this class over the first 3 frets. Here's our C, A, G, E, D, C, A, G. This is where a low G comes in really, really handy. Just do this over and over again, and the pattern of it will begin to sink in. We don't want to talk about it, we want to do it. So let's try it together. C, A, G, E, D, C, A, G. These are notes, not chords. Do it again. C, A, G, E, D, C, A, G. Let's go up in pitch. G, A, C, D, E, G, A, C. I hope I said that right. Let's do it again. G, A, C, D, E, G, A, C. Look at all those notes that we have to play with. And I mean play. It is so fun.